like to answer that?
I think you should.
Israel Young Academy brings together 30 researchers, each one leading in his own field, working together towards academia and society as a whole in Israel.
Good answer.
Thank you.
The Israel Young Academy is a group of scientists and scholars from all research universities in Israel, committed on the one hand to excellence in research and on the other hand to making Israeli academia more just, more equal, more fair, more accessible to the broader public.
It's a greenhouse of ideas that promotes research in Israel.
This is a group of people who basically want to make the world a better place.
The Israel Young Academy seeks to promote the advancements of young scientists in Israel in many disciplines and in many universities, as well as the promotion of the peripheral areas of Israel, the advancement of women, the advancement of the humanities.
The Israel Young Academy is supposed to connect between the academia and the rest of the people in the country. It actually is supposed to disseminate all our findings and our understandings to every person throughout the country of Israel and also beyond.
The Israeli Young Academy works to connect between students, researchers, local authorities, and policymakers.
Why have we done this, remind me?
I think we wanted to belong to a body that promotes things that are really good in Israel, and doing it with other people who want to do the same thing.
Because I thought it's a privilege to contribute to society in which we live in, to give back and to be connected to other sciences and to step out of my own discipline.
Because I care. I care about our society and I care about science.
One of the most significant activities that I participate in is the promotion of female researchers, generally in research and specifically in physics.
The establishment of an article that appears in the Israeli newspaper. This was done together with Ayelet Baram Tzabari from the Technion, in which we collaborated with Ynet, an Israeli internet magazine, and Yaron Druckmann, which is works there. And every week we have article that is presented that is called a private investigator. That's a researcher tells why he decided to invest his life in the topic that he is studying. So this is a way to communicate science to the community.
Going to schools, playing with kids and conveying to them what it is to do research through experience rather than through just talking about it. It was great fun.
The Foundation of Academics, where people from different fields, from humanities to sciences, astrophysics to archaeology, meet together for a week. And it was, I think, the most exciting intellectual experiences that I had, and I think many others as well.
My most significant activity was trying to connect high school students to come and study in the university.
The fact that it gives me the opportunity to sit in the same room with colleagues from different universities and from different disciplines. Usually in the academic life, it just don't happen.
The thing I probably most appreciate in the Israel Young Academy is the commitment, the collective commitment among its members to, against often all odds, transform our opportunities and our privilege to positively impact and grow Israeli society.
Our wonderful team of members.